Getting a loan through Payoneer is possible through their partnership with funding providers, typically for users who receive regular payments via Payoneer. This service allows businesses or freelancers to access working capital based on their transaction history and financial activity. Log into your Payoneer account, visit Payoneer and sign in with your credentials. Check eligibility. To be eligible for financing, you must have an established Payoneer account with regular incoming payments. Payoneer uses your transaction history to assess your creditworthiness. You may also receive direct communication from Payoneer if you qualify for financing. Go to the Working Capital section. On your dashboard, navigate to the Working Capital or Funding section if available. Payoneer partners with companies like eCapital or BeHealth to offer loans. Submit a loan application. If you're eligible, you can submit an application through Payoneer's partners. The amount offered is typically based on your payment volume and history with Payoneer. Receive funds. Once approved, the loan will be deposited into your Payoneer account, and you can use it for business growth or personal needs. Repayment. Repayment terms vary, and funds may be deducted automatically from your future Payoneer payments.